Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions, or should I say Cold Main Productions. Right now, the wind is blowing real hard, and the weather decided to dip down in the 30s despite it being April 2nd. However, I'm at Watersville Crossing, as you can see. In any moment now, we should have loaded coal, and I know you're thinking, loaded coal? There's not going to be anything super interesting on that. But I believe there's going to be another SD70MACe on this coal from all of my sources. And down there by the crossing yield sign, because this is unprotected crossing, despite this being a quite the busy road, where cars are always turning and blindly just driving over the tracks. They really should have crossing gates, or at least sound or lights, but they don't, unfortunately. But yeah, we heard the train clear plain not long ago, which is, you know, just outside of Mount Airy, just the edges of Mount Airy, and the Mount Airy Tunnel itself. So it should be here fairly shortly, and I figured I'd try out this spot way up here. Get a nice vantage point looking down at the tracks as it goes by. And I still have plenty of room so I don't fall off, even if it honks and startles me, which sometimes happens. But I'll keep you guys posted. There you go, guys. There's the helicopter, a little bonus shot here. It's bright yellow, so I don't know exactly what that one is, but it's certainly moving. Anyway, Old Main guy's down there, I'm up here, and should be here fairly shortly. We won't hear a horn until it's pretty much on top of us, so we will see. Okay, guys, so cleared Twin Arch probably about 3 minutes ago. Should be Locomotive 7217, I believe, leading, which is one that I've caught before. The video you'll see of that one's on the Old Main Guy's channel. It's a rebuilt CM44AH. And believe the SD70MACe is trailing. Obviously, it's not leading, but it should be here soon. So we'll see. You can definitely hear it. That was not a smart idea, good sir. Loaded coal, Grafton, West Virginia. Headed to Curtis Bay Yard in Baltimore. This train today, I believe, is tying down in Avalon, Maryland, because it has to await another train that will pass by. We heard this one leaving Brunswick. The digital scanner, you just look up Potomac Valley Railroad on any digital scanner app, it'll have that for you. And you can hear trains leaving the Brunswick, Shenandoah Junction area, and Point of Rocks. And from Point of Rocks to Mount Airy is about 70 minutes by train. So, gives us some leeway to know how long it takes for us to drive. A beautiful day out, except for it being so cold. I believe this is N794. honestly nice to see this SD70MACe again. Mainly because CSX doesn't really use them, or hasn't for a while. They're kind of more of a rare sight. They like to use their GEs, but, you know, it's a good surprise. Here's the end, guys. Here we go, guys. Going around the corner, Watersville. Next around the bend should be Morgan, followed by Woodbine. Actually, around the bend is Newport, then Woodbine, then Morgan. So, have a nice day, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the little bonus helicopter clip. And leave those tracks nicer than you found them. Pick up that litter, everyone. Have a good day.